Do I keep following up with a company that said I'm hired with no start date? 8 weeks later, I applied to a big company. They've had this new department open up, and I've interviewed 5 rounds up to the VP. Then, surprise, I got the job. I was told everyone loved me. However, they said they have to figure out things on the back end, and HR even told me it can take weeks. Well, I try following up every 2 weeks, just looking for updates, but now I'm officially on week 8, and I feel like I'm just annoying their HR team. Do I keep following up? Or am I just annoying them and should wait? It would be a great spot for me to work in. My current job keeps me afloat, so I'm not desperate. But I am keen in transitioning to a field more related to my degree. And yes, I'm still applying to other jobs, but honestly, with this market, it feels impossible to even land just an interview. Would appreciate any advice.
I'd follow up again.
8 weeks is a bit excessive. I'd assume you do not in fact have the job. Anything past 2 to 3 weeks is pushing it.
Maybe one more follow-up. State it's been 8 weeks and you don't have a start date. You enjoy the team and everything, but would like a start date soon, or else you'll keep looking. Then keep looking.
I would stop following up and continue looking elsewhere. If they're all that great, and they eventually do give you a start date, you can drop whatever else you're doing to pay your bills. And if they never get it together and forget you, you haven't interrupted your job search.
It is better to keep following up than not. Make them officially tell you to go away, or make them find a way to get you started. Obviously, percentage of this working out is dropping week by week, but as long as you're polite and every 2-week cadence seems very sane, good luck on finding other work. Market sucks.